You've seen it. You've heard it. That sudden crack in the sky. A blinding flash, and then boom. The kind of sound that makes your heart skip a beat. But what really causes lightning and thunder? Why does the sky literally scream during a storm? And did you know, lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun? Yup. Let's dive into the electrifying science behind one of nature's most powerful shows. To understand lightning and thunder, we need to start with clouds, but not just any clouds. We're talking about cumulonimbus clouds, also known as thunderclouds. These towering giants can reach up to 12 kilometers high, with tops that freeze into ice crystals and bottoms full of warm water droplets. Inside them, a chaotic dance of updrafts and downdrafts, like a vertical roller coaster of air, ice, and water. All of this movement causes friction, which leads to an electric charge building up inside the cloud. Think of it like rubbing a balloon on your hair, but on a massive scale. Inside the storm cloud, ice particles collide again and again. The lighter positively charged particles are pushed to the top, while the heavier negative charges sink to the bottom. Eventually, this separation becomes too extreme. Nature wants balance. So what does it do? It unleashes an electrical discharge to equalize the imbalance. That's lightning. But here's the twist, lightning doesn't always strike from cloud to ground. In fact, most lightning happens inside the cloud itself. The types include intercloud, that is within one cloud, cloud to cloud, and the most famous, cloud to ground. When that electric current finds its path, usually through the shortest distance with the least resistance, it releases a massive bolt of electricity, sometimes carrying over 1 billion volts. Now here's where it gets loud. When lightning strikes, it superheats the air on it to a staggering 30,000 Celsius. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This sudden heat causes the air to expand explosively. That's what creates thunder. Think of it like this: you pop a balloon, and the rubber snaps back fast, making a sharp noise. Multiply that by a few million, and you've got the deep, rumbling roar of thunder. Here's a fun fact: the sound of thunder actually travels slower than light. That's why you see the flash of lightning first, then hear the boom seconds later. Want to estimate how far away a storm is? Count the seconds between the lightning and thunder, then divide by 3. That gives you the distance in kilometers. So if you count 9 seconds, the storm is 3 kilometers away. In short, yes, lightning is one of nature's deadliest forces. A single strike can destroy buildings, fry electronics, start wildfires, and yes, harm or even kill living beings. The safest place during a storm is indoors, away from windows and electronics. And forget the myth about rubber tires protecting you in a car. It's actually the metal frame of the vehicle that redirects the lightning safely into the ground. Oh, and one more thing. Lightning can strike the same place twice. The Empire State Building gets hit about 20 to 25 times per year. So next time you see a flash in the sky and count the seconds to the boom, you'll know exactly what's going on up there. It's not just weather, it's science in action, a breathtaking, electrifying reminder of the power of nature. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. We break down the coolest science and nature topics every single day. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.